Hi there! Welcome to Wana Court by In Motion Homes. Wana Court is a green and smart estate located just off Ibiakushe Road, directly off the Victor International Airport Road in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Wana Court is surrounded by amazing landmarks. Just in front of me here is a full life secondary school. 2 minutes away from here is the Southern Atlantic Polytechnic. Just 3 minutes away from here is the NNPC mega station inside the Dakada Luxury Estate. Just 4 minutes drive from here is the Shelter Africa Estate. 8 minutes drive from here to my left is the Victor International Airport. 45 minutes drive from here is where you have the Ibom Deep Sea Port. I'm telling you, this is a fantastic place for you to have your property. Another amazing thing about Wana Court here is that the land here is flat, dry land. The most amazing thing about Wana Court is that we are giving you a gated community which guarantees 24-hour security. We are giving to you good road networks. We are giving to you central sewage system. We are giving to you central water system. We are bringing to you best value with a big green space just for you. When you buy Wana Court today, now that we're running our pre-launch sales, buy Wana Court today and enjoy the new culture in real estate.